NIS2 compliance promotes a more uniform level of cybersecurity within the EU, protecting organizations, citizens, and the economy. Follow these NIS2 compliance best practices to enhance your security posture and contribute to a more secure digital environment. 1. Conduct regular risk assessments. Systematically identify, analyze, and evaluate cybersecurity risks to prioritize security efforts and allocate resources. 2. Implement a comprehensive incident response plan. Develop and maintain a detailed plan for detecting, responding to, and recovering from cybersecurity incidents. 3. Establish strong access controls. Implement robust authentication methods and least privilege principles to reduce the risk of unauthorized access to data. 4. Establish a vulnerability management program. Identify, assess, and remediate software and system vulnerabilities. 5. Implement data protection and privacy measures. Adopt strong data encryption, classification, and handling practices to protect sensitive information. For more NIS2 compliance best practices, visit kiteworks.com.